Little Jerry, before you have to leave, I would just like to ask if you could give us any tips on how you write the words to your songs.
Well, that's
right?
good.
Yeah.
I'd be sincerely happy to.
Oh, good.
And one of the real important things in songwriting is making sure the words rhyme.
That's right.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, rhymes are very important in a song. I'll show you what I mean.
Okay.
And let me use the words to a song I'm pretty sure you all know, and you tell me what you think, okay?
Okay, sure. Go ahead.
All right, here we go. Sunny day, sweeping the clouds outside. Huh?
That's
Wait
not
a
right.
How about
second. Wait, so that's not right,
That's
is
not
it?
right, is it?
Sunny
It's
day,
just not
sweeping the
right.
clouds outside. Wait, that
That's
sounds
terrible.
silly.
You're right. It sounds silly because it doesn't rhyme.
That's
Well,
right.
of course.
It needs to rhyme. See, the first part says sunny day. We need something that rhymes with day.
That's right.
Right. Okay.
A word that sounds like day.
Absolutely.
Let me try again. Here we go. Sunny day, sweeping the clouds into a dustpan.
No, is that right? Is that right? That is not right. That sounds silly again, little
Oh, that's not
Jerry.
good.
Yeah, that's right. It
Yeah.
doesn't rhyme.
Doesn't right.
Yeah, let me try it again. Let me try it again and see if you fill in the word that rhymes with day.
Okay. All right, you got
Here we
that?
go.
Okay.
Sunny day, sweeping the clouds.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, good. Great.
Good.
Good for you. Good for you, fans. Sunny day, sweeping the clouds away. That rhymes and it sounds good.
Yes, it does.
Yeah, let's try some more.
Okay, good.
On my way to where the air is sweet. Can you tell me how to get to Sesame Road?
Wait a second.
No, that's
is
not
that
it.
right?
That is not the way it goes.
Wait a second.
It
No,
is
it's
good.
not Sesame Road. I think it is something that has to rhyme with sweet. It has to
Absolutely.
sound like sweet, okay?
Oh, well, let me try again.
Go ahead.
Okay.
On my way to where the air is sweet. Can you tell me how to get to Sesame Avenue?
No, not right again.
That's not the
One
same
more
thing.
time.
It's got to
One more
rhyme.
time.
Okay,
It's got to rhyme with sweet.
Okay,
Try one more.
okay, I think I got it this time.
Okay, good.
Come on, guys. How about this?
Okay.
Mellow, mellow.
Sunny day, when the clouds away. On my way to where the air is sweet.
Sesame Street has been brought to you today by the letters J
To Sesame Street.
and Q and by the number 11.
Sesame Street.
Sesame Street is a production of the Children's Television Workshop.